Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the part 5 and that will continue exercise 8.2. An article is sold for rupees 1760 making a profit of 10% and you have to find the CP, and if a discount of 12% is given you have to find the MP. So the selling price of an article, that is 1760, which is given. So we have the formula. We want the CP, so we can use this formula. SP is 100 plus this, because there is a profit of 10%, so you use here this formula, 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into CP. So here the selling price is 1760. Same here, this will be 10 because the 10 percentage is given. Profit of 10% divided by 100 into CP. So this is the same. This will be 110 by 100 into CP. So this will go on the other side. So this will get multiplied and this will go in the denominator. That will be CP. So after simplifying this, we get CP is rupees 1600. Now you have to find that is the mark price. So that is, we'll use this formula. Selling price is, because we know the selling price. So selling price is mark price minus the 12% of the mark price. So selling price is 1760. We don't know the mark price. So the 12%, this is given as the discount of 12%. So 12% of the mark price. So here 12% means 12. Wherever you see the percentage means we divide by 100 into mark price. So this is same. So this is going to be 12 divided by 100 means 0.12. So this will be, this is actually 1. So from 1, when you subtract 0.12, we get 0.88. So this will be 0.88 MP. So this is actually multiplication. So this will get, it will go to the other side. So that will get divided. So now this is the numerator, this is the denominator. Numerator as it is. The denominator we can, because this is in decimals, we can write this as 0.88 as 88 by 100, because after decimal there are two numbers. So now the numerator, this is the denominator. So numerator as it is. So the denominator gets flip over. That will be 100 by 88. So after simplifying this, we get here, this is going to be 2000. So we can say the mark price is rupees 2000. The mark price of an article is given here 9000, but it was sold at a discount of 4% and the shopkeeper still made a profit of 8%, and you have to find the selling price and the cost price. So mark price is 9000, so discount is given as 4%. So actual discount is what? That is the 4% of the mark price. So 4% means 4 divided by 100 into mark price is given as 9000. So after simplifying this, we get that is the actual discount is 360. So now we want the selling price. So selling price is mark price minus discount. So mark price is 9000 minus the discount. Here we got this as 360. So the selling price is 8640. So now we will see the cost price. So the profit is given as here 8%. So the selling price is, we'll use this formula. Now we know the profit, we know the selling price. So we'll use this formula. So this will be selling price is 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into cost price. So this is going to be 8640. 100 plus 8 divided by 100 into cost price. So this will be 108 by 100 into cost price. So this will go this side. So 8640 into 100. This is going to get divided. So after simplifying this, we get cost price is 8000. The list price of a DVD player is 13,500. If the rate of GST is 28%, you have to find the selling price. So list price of DVD player that is given as 13,500 and GST is 28% of the, that is the list price. So 28 by 100 into the list price is 13,500. So the actual GST, that will be rupees 3780. So we want the selling price. So selling price is 30. Actually here the list price is 13,500 plus this one, the GST 3780. So the selling price is going to be 17,280. So we can write the selling price of DVD player is 17,280. Arpit wants to buy a table whose sale price is 12,400. How much will Arpit have to pay for it if the rate of GST is 12%? So selling price is given as 12,400, GST 12%. So GST is 12% of this selling price, that is 12,400. So this will be 12% will be 12 by 100 into 12,400. So this will be 1488. So the cost price is 12,400 plus this GST, that will be 13,888. A shopkeeper marks an item at rupees 1,400 and gives 10% discount but charges 5% GST on it. How much tax does a customer have to pay for the item? And you have to find the final price. So the mark price of an item that is given as 1,400 and discount is given as 10%. So discount is 10% of the mark price. So 10% means 10 by 100 and the mark price is 1,400. So after simplifying this figure, that is 140. So the reduced price will be the mark price minus the discount. So this will be 1,400 minus the discount is 140. So that will be 1,260. And then the GST also is given as, that is 5%. So 5% on what? That is the on the reduced price. So this is the important step, 5% of 1260. So 5 by 100 into 1260, after simplifying this, we get rupees 63. So we'll have to say he will have to pay a tax of rupees 63 because they said how much tax does the customer have to pay for the item, and then you have to find the final price. So the final price will be, this was the 1260, the reduced price, plus the GST. So 1260 plus 63, which is the that will be rupees 13,223. The mark price of a scooter is 25,000. If after giving a discount, 8% GST of 28% is levied, and you have to find the selling price of the scooter. So the mark price is 25,000. Discount is 8% of the mark price. So 8%, 8 by 100 into this 25,000. So this is going to be 2,000. So the reduced price will be, this is MP minus the discount. This will be MP minus discount. So that will be 25,000 is the MP and the discount is 2,000. So the reduced price is 23,000 and GST is given as 28%. So 28% of the reduced price. So here 28,000 into 23,000. So this will be 28 by 100 into 23,000, which is going to be 6,440. And now we want the selling price. So selling price is, that is a, here we got the reduced price is 23,000 and this the GST is 6,440. So that will be 29,440. Ragini purchased the following items from a large department store. A school bag for 450, GST is given as 18%. Pickles and sauces for rupees 1250, GST is given as 12%, and the bakery products for rupees 840, GST 5%, and the pressure cooker for rupees 3,500 and GST is 28%. Find the total amount of the bill she has to pay. So GST on school bag, that is 18% of this 450. So off means multiplication. So after simplifying this, we got this 81. So the selling price of the school bag is going to be, because this is 450 plus this 81, so that will be 531. Then the GST on pickles and sauces, that is 12%. 12% on this one, 1250, which is after simplifying, we get this one as 150. So selling price is going to be 1250 plus this GST, that will be 1400. GST on the bakery products, 5% of 840, 5% of this 840. So that is going to be rupees 42. So the selling price of bakery products means 840 plus this 42 of GST. So that will be 882. So the GST on the pressure cooker, that is the 28% of this 3,500. So this is going to be 28 by 100 into 3,500, that will be 980. So the selling price of this pressure cooker is 3,500 plus 980, which is 4,880. We want the total amount. They said here, find the total amount of the bill she has to pay. So we have to add all. So 531 plus this, we will keep on. Sorry, this one. So we will add all this one. So that comes to 7293 rupees. The mark price of a dinner set is 1600. Discount offered is 5% and GST charge is 12%. You have to find the final price to be paid by a customer for the dinner set. The mark price is 1600. Discount is 5% of the 5%, that is the mark price. So that is going to be 80 rupees. So the reduced price is mark price minus discount. So this is 1600 is the this one mark price, and the discount that is given as 80. So that is going to be 1520. So GST is 12%. So 12% of this reduced price. So 12% of 1520. So that is going to be 182.40. So this price paid by customer will be this was 1520 for this reduced price plus this GST. So that is going to be 1702.40. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.